In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a goal in ClickUp step by step so you can easily track progress, stay focused, and keep your projects aligned with your bigger objectives. ClickUp goals are perfect for teams and individuals who want a clear overview of what they're working toward and how close they are to achieving it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp workspace dashboard, where all your spaces, folders, and lists are available. From here, look over to the left-hand navigation panel, scroll down, and click on the option called More. This expands additional tools and features inside ClickUp that aren't always visible by default. In the expanded menu, find and click on Goals. This will take you to the Goals section, where you can view existing goals or create new ones to track your progress. Now, on the Goals page, click on the button that says Set a Goal. This opens a new window where you can start defining your goal. Give your goal a clear and descriptive name so you know exactly what it represents, whether it's related to sales, content creation, project milestones, or personal productivity. After naming your goal, you can choose how you want to track it by adding targets. Targets can be based on numbers, tasks, or even currency, depending on what you're trying to measure. Select the target type that best fits your objective and connect it to the relevant tasks or lists in your workspace. This allows ClickUp to automatically update your progress as work gets completed. Take a moment to review your goal settings, make sure everything looks correct, and then save your goal. Once saved, your new goal will appear in the Goals dashboard, where you can monitor progress in real time and make adjustments as needed. This is a great way to stay motivated and ensure your daily tasks are aligned with your long-term plans. And that's it. You've successfully created a goal in ClickUp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.